Hello everyone, welcome to my Java tutorial. In this video I'll be talking about while loops. So, I taught you how to make a for loop before. It looks like this. So basically in a for loop, you have an initialization, which is I0, a condition that I must be less than 5. If it's more and equals to 5, the loop will break, and an updation, where I will increment by 1 every time it loops. Now in a while loop, instead of having an initialization and an updation, we will just have a condition. So let me show you how it looks like. So in a while loop, it's just a condition and we can just say that, let's say I is less than 5. Okay, but we have to also say what is I in Java. So outside of the while loop, we initialize I. And let's just say it's 0. And let's just say I'm gonna print out hello. But the thing is, if I just do it like this, I will just remain 0, so the loop will repeat itself over and over again, and it will be an infinite loop because I will never be more equal to 5. It will always be 0. So I don't think you should try this at home because I'm basically making an infinite loop. So let me show you. As you can see, this will just print out continuously. But in Vscode, to stop it, you just press Ctrl C and it will automatically stop for you. So instead of getting an infinite loop by doing this, the only thing we have to do is increment I at the end after you print out hello. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hellos have been printed out because at here I is 0, then I is 1, I is 2, I is 3, and I is 4. When I is 5, the condition is false, so the loop breaks. We can also use a while loop to print out all the elements in an array. So let me just show you how to do that. Let's just initialize an array. So int, let's call it Sandeep, equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then we have to say that int I will start at 0. And while I is less than Sandeep.length, we can just print out the individual elements inside the array. So system.println Sandeep square bracket I, and we increment I every time we print out the elements. So what does this mean is that first I will start at 0 and it will continue looping until I is more than equals to the length of this array. So first I will become 0 and it will print out the element at the 0 index, which is 2, and then I will become 1 and it will print out the element at the first index, which is 4. Then it will print out 6 and 8 and 10. And after 10, I will become
5.
But the length is actually 5, so the condition will be false and the loop will break. And there we go, it prints out 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The main cool thing that you can do in a while loop is that you can make an infinite loop. You can just say like while true, and this will automatically be an infinite loop. Let me show you. As you can see, it's an infinite loop, so just Ctrl C to stop. and everything is fine. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.